We're here today to show you how to connect your Alpena LED devices to our Alpena app. Now, before we start here, I have to say that you want to enable Bluetooth on your device, but don't pair the device with your Alpena products within the operating system. Always just turn Bluetooth on, have power to your devices, and then open the application. We're going to hit agree because I'm not driving and we are obeying all local traffic laws. In this case, we have our Bluetooth 24-inch RGB kit, the hub right here, and that shows up as Alpena RGB starter. So we're going to connect this by selecting RGB starter. You see it's found. There's our item right there. Click this, and here's your car. See, the one strip right here is connected to the Try Me pad.